You got a taste for some smoked honey jerk chicken?
Let's go in and eat, baby.
Let's go. That sounds good.
I don't know. I thought you didn't like jerk. I might eat this all by myself.
That's fine. I want some.
So first thing we doing, y'all, we just hitting it with the tenderizer. So we put this marinade in there. Everything is gonna seep through. We making this real super duper simple. That's gonna tenderize the meat and also make the skin easier to bite through, especially when you're smoking. Let's see how we gonna season this up. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with this lime juice first. Give it a vigorous squeeze. It's gonna help tenderize it more and also accent the jerk marinade. Hit it with a little sweetness.
Oh, yeah.
Is my weakness. We're gonna do just a teaspoon of Lowry's, 2 tablespoons of the jerk marinade. 3. So a tablespoon of marinade per pound. All right, go in with your hands. Don't be scared. We all up in there. Yeah. Get this side some love. All right, y'all. We got it. And the most important thing, let this marinate overnight to get the maximum flavor. All right, I'll see y'all in the morning. We got the temperature for chicken rolling at 300 today. A fat piece of post oak wood. Take this jerk chicken straight out of the marinade. Fat side down first. Woohoo! All right. So what, baby? We're just gonna go ahead and flip it in an hour. That's it. We ain't gonna make this complicated at all. Make it short, sweet, simple. I'm looking at about hour and 45 minutes, 2 hours. That's what it normally takes with chicken. So we'll be back in an hour for a flip. We're an hour in, y'all. Ooh, that bird look pretty. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. All right, we're going to keep letting it do what it do. 300 degrees still. All right, we looking good. Man, that look gorgeous. It's ready to come off. It's done. Y'all see it? 169. Let's go in and eat, baby.
Let's go.
All right, let's get to the best part, the fun part. We got our delicious plate made up. So I'm going to go right on in. Let me see what I'm going to taste first. I'm just going to go ahead and taste this nice little drumstick. This thing is looking beautiful. So tender. The flavor is out of here. It's out of control. Don't even need no sauce. Natural juices flowing from it already. This is delicious. Another recipe for y'all to do for yourself in your own backyard. Enjoy. I'm about to get down.